If you are looking for a powerful AI video creation tool in 2026, you have probably heard about Google Flow AI. But is it really the future of AI filmmaking or just another AI video generator? In this review, we'll cover its key features, pros, cons, pricing, and whether it's worth using. What is Google Flow AI? Google Flow AI is Google's AI powered video creation platform designed to generate cinematic videos using simple text prompts. It combines Google's advanced AI models, including Veo for video generation and Gemini for prompt understanding, allowing users to create high quality video clips without traditional editing skills. The platform is aimed at content creators, marketers, filmmakers, and businesses that want to produce videos faster and with less effort. Key features. One of Flow AI's biggest strengths is its high quality video generation. It can create realistic scenes, smooth camera movements, and detailed visual effects from text descriptions. Another standout feature is scene consistency. Characters, objects, and environments remain more consistent across multiple shots compared to many competing AI video tools. Flow also offers natural language controls, meaning you can describe camera angles, movements, lighting, and visual styles in plain English. Additionally, it integrates with Google's AI ecosystem, making prompt creation and content generation more intuitive. Pros: excellent video quality and realism, strong prompt understanding, better scene and character consistency, easy to use interface, backed by Google's powerful AI technology. Cons: premium features can be expensive, generated videos may still require editing for professional projects, availability and features may vary depending on your region and subscription plan. Pricing: Google Flow AI is generally available through Google's AI subscription ecosystem, with pricing depending on usage limits and access tiers. Costs can vary as Google continues expanding the platform, so checking the latest plans is recommended before subscribing. Final verdict. So, is Google Flow AI the future of AI video creation in 2026? For many creators, the answer is yes. Its impressive video quality, strong prompt understanding, and advanced AI technology make it one of the most capable AI video generation tools available today. If you regularly create marketing videos, social media content, or creative projects, Google Flow AI is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite AI video creation tool. See you in the next video.